Alright guys, welcome back. It is 91 to 93 degrees, so I'm doing a drive-by today. Super hot. We did get 8 more lights installed down here at the end. There's a car behind me, but that's fine because I don't care. So anyways, got these ones down here done at the end. Probably gonna get aggressively passed. Anyways, got all these ones done here done at the end. That pretty much wraps it up for the day. Pretty much the same old. Alright guys, so I am back and I'm wearing a long sleeve t-shirt turtleneck in the 90-degree heat because I got extremely sunburnt over the weekend. I was floating a river on Sunday, didn't put any sunscreen on my legs. My legs got roasted. They're very painful. I can barely walk right now. Praise the Lord, I made it through the day, so that's good. I didn't have to take off of work. If I was more, if I had been at this company longer, I probably would have absolutely taken the day off just because I'm in so much pain. Also, so basically my thighs are burned and then the top of my feet are burned. So basically the tongues on my boots really hurt when I walk, and also the top of my feet are burned. So just wearing any type of shoe hurts. But anyways, made it through the day, so I'm super thankful about that. Working with he's not even an apprentice, but working with the material handler, and that went really well. The only complaint I would say is he was probably on his phone a few times, but other than that, everything went a lot better than I planned. So we got 8 lights done today, and that's basically what me and the other journeyman did on the first day that we started. So I'm not too mad about that, considering I can barely walk, and I had to explain everything to him what to do. So yeah, we did pretty good progress given the circumstances, and with the heat, the fiber grates, that's what they're called, the fiberglass grates that you walk on that we have been taking up to install the lights. The fiber grates, in this heat, they expand, so the last 2 or 3 of them were really hard to get out because they expand, and then they basically get wedged into the other fiber grates next to them. So anyways, we got that figured out, got them back in. A little bit extra work, but yeah, so it was a really good day. I wasn't even really that hot with the turtleneck on, surprisingly. Just at the end of the day when we were working in the Connex, it was like probably like 110 degrees, but other than that, no problems at all. Wasn't even really hungry, had like 5 bottles of water, wasn't even really thirsty, I just felt like drinking. So anyways, overall it was a really good day, and that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. So my only advice would be, if you are a material handler or even a new apprentice, just try not to be on your phone too much. Kind of makes you look bad. But other than that, everything went great. I'm super happy with the progress that we got done today. But that's gonna wrap it up for today's video, everyone. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it as always. If you're stopping by for the first time, make sure you drop a like and subscribe. I would appreciate it. Love to see you guys back in the next video, and it would help out the channel grow. Lastly, check the description for anything else and hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload or do live streams. Thanks guys so much. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out. Alright guys, one last thing. As I was thinking of the title of this video, I just wanted to say today was probably the 2nd or 3rd most painful day as an electrician. Wasn't even related to electrical, but just because I burned myself. But the first day would be the most painful day as an electrician, would be when I was pushing around like a 500 or 600 pound roll of I forgot the name of it, the feeder wire for residential. I can't remember the name of it. It starts with an R or something. But anyways, I was pushing around this 500 pound roll of wire, or 600 pound, and I tweaked my back, and I could legitimately barely walk like 2 more steps. Luckily it was at the end of the day, but anyways, that was the most painful day, and today would probably be another one. All the other days would probably just be way too hot, like inside of a building with heaters on. But other than that, just wanted to give you guys an update if you were wondering why was this video titled 2nd most painful day as an electrician. All right, bye.